Hi everyone, Anne Boundy from Said with Love and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you're enjoying these videos, press the subscribe button, the like button, pop in a comment. Love to hear what you think about things. This video is all about the Aurifil Thread Labs 2.0. This is the second box of this year's subscription. Last month's was just awesome, full of so many things. Can't wait to show you what's inside this box. And this is this month's box. And we have Sherry from Whole Circle Studio as our designer this month. And apparently there's some foundation paper piecing in this month's project. So let's have a look what's in here. So this little postcard has all the details behind in terms of how to get onto the online portal to get all the videos and the projects and all the rest of it. But oh my goodness, let's just get all this out. Okay, well, lots of little packing bits and oh my gosh, lots of thread. Ooh, our little goodie this month is Aurifil washi tape in orange and pink. Who knew that they made that? So let me just get all that packaging out of the way and show you all these gorgeous threads. And they're all 50 weight. And we've got golds and greens and oranges and a dark orange, red, pinks. My goodness, look at all those pinks and purples. That's making me happy. And then a couple of blues. And is that my favourite chalk? No, it's 6722. And just an off-white cream plus the Aurifil washi tape. That's a bit of a cute one. I'm just going to pop all that back in. And there you have gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous threads.